And here we are. We are on our way to Hologa. What would you like to say? We're going to have a great day today.
Yeah.
We're just going to perform.
We're going to have fun.
And we're going to have fun. That's all. We're not going to go and say, oh, we got to do this, do that. We've got to be doing it properly. No, we're just going to go and enjoy ourselves with everyone else.
Yeah.
And we just want everyone to have a good time. And yes, that's what today is. The last day of February.
Oh, is it?
And tomorrow will be the 1st of March.
Oh.
And so we are leaving. We're meant to be there at 8 o'clock, but you know, Niuean time, we left home at 8 o'clock. So yes, me and Melly are going to have a great time today, and we're looking forward to seeing all the villages and all their colours. And this is not what we'll be wearing though. We're wearing this like just for now in the March, but our uniform we will be wearing when we perform, and we're going to look so good. I think everyone's going to look good today, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so God bless everyone today to perform their best, the best they can. Okay, we'll catch you later on my next video when I'll be doing some more videos today. Bye.